Anjir, bisa beda gitu. Bisa di atas bawah menang. Atas bawah menang.
Kenapa lah hidup untuk main ML?
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Tadi yang apa tuh? Tadi nggak jelas tuh.
Things going on. I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people blowing up walls.
Jangan tuh. Belum yang ada yang jual. Aduh.
I know that time can heal all, but I'ma stop it fall. It's up to chilly outside when there's no shelter.
Balik aja, balik.
Everything is a lie. You'll find out.
Ini kesini, ini kesini.
When the things on the line, or I'll consider to cry. Communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I could be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks the promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is thoughtless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Initiate retreat!
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when
Aku lihat. Aduh, ini.
world felt small.
Enemy missing!
Oh, mana bro? Pasangnya apa?
So as a greater curse, greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel this consequence. The volatility of like my only confidence. Argument or just the start of it.
Ih, nggak mati cok.
Pasang sama pasang.
Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument?
Iya, bener lagi.
I wanna drive away so I can be so far from this. I wanna find a place where no one breaks the promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Jadi panik cok.
Ngerinya.
Killing spree!
Mas,
Good game! Request that!
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
pasangnya apa nih?
Way back before we blew it all.
Oh, nggak ada apa-apa lagi. Duduk kami. Tengok kan? Oke, dah.
Consider the crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. It's an argument, or just the start of it. Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. this. I can't keep picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks the promises. Or maybe find myself in something that's bottomless. Take me back to a place where we built at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when we were small. Take me through it all. Take me back to a place where we built at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world was small. Let's go. You know the things you bad, but
Udah.
much worse. There's always someone else who has it greater.
Saya. Udah.
I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I
Dulu.
don't know the consequences. The volatility of like my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks the promises. Or maybe find myself in something that is part of it. Take me back to a place where we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
Bisa di atas bawah menang. Atas bawah menang. Belum menang tuh.
Hari ini, gadis kecil ini akan menyelamatkan seseorang.
Wah, cok, belum menang cok, di comeback nanti. Karena lagi satu momen. Belum menang cok.
Kali ini, gadis kecil ini akan menyelamatkan seseorang.
I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is so cold. Perceptions start to evolve. I know that time can be long, but how much time can you fall? It's like security outside. No shelter to hide. Everything is a lie. You'll find it hard sometimes, but when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, the music takes inside. Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars. Argument, or just the start of it. I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks the promises. Or maybe try myself in something that is broader than.
Dikit lagi tuh.
Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Take me back to a place where
Victory!
take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna